Okay, so we're going to look at making a new document and looking over the layout in Adobe Illustrator. So before I make a new document, I just want to quickly go through. After you open Illustrator, you'll notice, like most software packages, you'll see the top menu bar along the top edge here after the Apple icon, where you can adjust your Illustrator preferences, such as your units, how you use smart guides, and type. And then of course you have your edit object. So take a moment to look through these and just explore. Under Window, you'll bring up any of your palettes. So notice I can come into here and say I want to look at the Brushes palette. Okay, so I'll hit Brushes palette. Now notice that pulls up over here. So what they've done in the recent CS release is to place these floating icons that allow you to increase your screen real estate while you're working. So I can hit color, choose color guide or color, and then put this back. Same thing with the brushes, and I can put it back. So you get to your layers this way and all of your different options. And your tool palette comes default up to the left side. So one other thing to notice is when you hover over any of your tools, you'll see the title of that tool as well as the key command, if there is a key command associated with that tool. So direct selection tool is A, selection tool is V. So you can see I can hit A on my keyboard and V on my keyboard, and those things are going back and forth. The same thing works with M for your marquee or rectangle tool, B for your brush tool, N for pencil tool, and E for your eraser. I guess they changed that one. Rotation, eyedropper, Shift-E is eraser. Okay. So we'll go ahead and make a new document now. Just go to File, New. And here's where you need to think about what you're going to create. Are you going to create something for print, which would be a CMYK document? Or are you going to create something for the web or for screen-based media? Under New Document Profile, right here, you can choose Print, Web, Mobile Devices, Video and Film. There's a Basic CMYK, Basic RGB. I typically use the basics because I know what I want to create, so I would hit Basic RGB, come in here, and I'm going to select a 1024 by 768 image. And I'll use pixels for the measurement system for the units because I'm working in screen-based media right now, so I'll use an RGB document and have pixels for my measurement system. So after you've done this, you can just hit OK, and you'll see your new document. Illustrator gives you what's called an artboard, which is this rectangle which represents the size of the image that you selected to create. So take a moment, make your new document, and just explore some of the tools. I think this is a good time for you to just sort of play around and see what you can figure out on your own.